Hi guys, this is the OnePlus 11 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. If you want to use the live captions, you should tap on the switcher to turn them on. Here you will see the vibration settings, so just to use vibration on ring mode you should tap on the switcher, and if you want to change vibration intensity on ring or vibration, notification vibration, you should slide to the left or to the right side these panels. Also we can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode to change media, ringtone, notifications or alarm volume, so you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots. To use media volume devices. Okay, here we can media volume muted. To mute this option with the help of the switcher, just to change ringtone and notification sounds, you should just tap here and switch one from these available sounds. Also we just have the possibility here to change the Dolby Atmos settings, haptics and tones. So we can use system haptics with the help of the switcher to change the haptic intensity and to change the touch feel. And in sound section we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound, deletion sound, fingerprint animation and touch sound. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options we should tap on the switchers. And let's go back and tap to more settings section. Here we can change the volume button function from the media. So now we have selected media and we will change media volume with the help of the up or down volume button. We can switch it to the ringtone and we'll switch the ringtone volume, and you can switch also default recorder from auto select to the add on. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our OnePlus 11. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.